Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to get access to the best Amazon FBA course for beginners for completely free. And this course is called Freedom Ticket. It was created by Kevin King, who's a 7-figure seller on Amazon. 7-figure means that his sales a year pass $1 million. Now, Kevin has been in e-commerce since 1995. That means over 25 years of experience. And also Kevin mentors a group of students that collectively sell over $500 million, that's $500 million plus dollars a year on Amazon. So the creator of this course is a pretty wise guy, pretty experienced on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to this course, the Freedom Ticket. I'm also going to show you exactly what's included in the Freedom Ticket step by step, all the modules. And eventually I'll show you a sneak peek of how it looks from the inside so you can actually see what's going on in there. If this is something that talks to you, please watch the video fully. Now, if you're really impatient, you're in a rush, or you don't have much time, click on the link in the description of this video now and go check it out yourself. I understand maybe you don't have much time to watch my video, no problem. However, I do recommend you watching it fully because I'll just save all the hustle for you. I'll just explain you exactly what's going on. Now, who am I? My name is Vova. I'm an active seller on Amazon. Been selling there since late 2016. On this channel, you're gonna find lots of tips, tricks, hacks, tons of gold nuggets for how to sell on Amazon, tutorials, and everything is aimed at you to become a better seller on Amazon. If this is something that talks to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell. I have a little bell here. So let's get straight to the promotion. So how to get this free promotion, how to get the access for Freedom Ticket for free. Let me explain. First, click on the link in the description. It's gonna lead you to this landing page. Here you're gonna learn how to sell on Amazon. Start your Amazon business, we'll teach you how. So in the Freedom Ticket, this is an A to Z program which teaches you how to sell on Amazon from A to Z, from beginner that doesn't know anything, I would say doesn't know anything about e-commerce even, to an Amazon seller, a person who can take a product and sell on Amazon with really good data that Kevin, the creator of the course, is gonna share with you in this huge course. But you can get the access to it for free right now. How? You get here, and you have the option to start your free training with no credit card. So essentially, you don't need to give anything to the company, just you sign up here, you give your name, your family name, your email, and the training is going to be sent to you. The first module of the course is free, as you can see here. Get week number 1 for free. Now, there are 8 weeks of the course. You get week number 1 for free just to try it out. This is really aimed at those who are not selling yet. For those sellers that are already Amazon sellers, please wait a little bit or scroll through the video. I'm going to show you the contents of the course. But for those who haven't started yet, please listen to me carefully now, because this is going to give you exactly the answer to your question. Everything is going to be in module number 1, answering this question. So why sell now is going to be all the opportunities going to be outlined for you there. But why sell now? E-commerce is booming. Customers want to shop online, not wait in line. And that's true. You can see it right now. E-commerce is growing. You as a customer on Amazon or any other platforms, you're buying more online. I can say this about myself as well. I've been buying online since 2008 and I'm still buying online. And I think I'm buying more than I used to. One day delivers at your doorstep. Convenience has never been in higher demand. People want to get products fast. They want them now. They want them easily. People want everything done like this. So this is why Amazon is there for you. Amazon takes care of that. Easy online shopping. Customers want shopping that is safe, convenient, hassle-free, and done at home. They want to click buttons, get their products. That's what Amazon is all about. You can sell on this platform. Products in high demand. Higher demand in products means a higher demand for people who sell them. That means being an Amazon seller. Now, I'm nowhere, listen to me, not at all saying that this is easy. If you think that it's easy and it's a get-rich-quick scheme, I'm sorry, this video is not for you. And my channel is not for you, actually. Because this will require hard work, dedication. This is a real business you're going to build. If this is not for you, then no problem. But I guess this channel is not for you then. But if you are serious about an awesome business opportunity to sell online, sell products to people, to improve lives of people, then I guess that e-commerce is for you and Amazon FBA just might be for you. Next, pick, pack, and ship. Amazon does all the hard work for you. That's pretty cool. They pick, pack, and ship your product for you once the order is placed. So as I'm recording this video, I'm getting sales on Amazon, which is pretty cool. I don't need to ship them. I don't need to confirm them. They are just, well, people buy my products and they're getting sent to them by Amazon. And I don't need to be involved in this. I mean, of course I need to take care of the listings, but I'm not involved in shipping. I don't need to go to the mail. I don't need to mail it physically because Amazon takes care of that. Of course, everything is going to be explained in the course. So you can click here again, start your free training, no credit card required. Next, step-by-step learning. Learn everything you need to get started on Amazon. From sourcing product, writing listing, even packing and advertising. Everything's going to be outlined in the course. Every question you might have, and we're going to go through some questions in a bit. It's going to be answered in the course. This is a full A to Z Amazon FBA course. That means that everything is answered there. Or you can think of advertising your products, how to pick your product, how to market your product. It's all in the course. It's a full course. It's a big course, and you can access to it for free, which is pretty cool. Robust data to follow along. Follow along interactive with Helium 10, one of the most comprehensive software for Amazon sellers. Use powerful data to find the product, select keywords, and more. Helium 10 is the set of tools that is being used in the Freedom Ticket. This is also a set of tools that I use myself in order to sell on Amazon, find products, optimize my listings, and a bunch of other stuff. Automated emails, for example, and lots of more. The course is going to be working with this set of tools. This set of tools is very known in the Amazon industry, very respected company, great customer experience, great customer care, and generally they do give results. So I can vouch for them. Your first week, free. Get your first week of training absolutely free. Understand what it takes to start selling and start spawning ideas for your first product. Learn the ropes first, worry about the rest later. The first week that you get for free is going to give you essentially the understanding about what this is all about, what is Amazon FBA is all about. And then you can understand ideas for products, what it's all about. You can see, you'll get the big picture. What is it selling on Amazon? Like many people come to me and they're like, Vova, so what do you do? Like, how does Amazon work? I'm like, yeah, this and that. And now you can get this answered here and for free. So click the link down in the description, check it out yourself. Again, no credit cards. It's completely free. Take advantage. I'm not sure how long this will last. And thanks to Helium 10 for really giving us these things and treating us with such cool things. Appreciate. The best way to learn. Freedom Ticket is the only software-backed training in the market. Learn about selling on Amazon through in-depth, complete sessions taught by an experienced e-commerce veteran. That's Kevin King. As I mentioned, he's a 7-figure seller on Amazon. That's a lot of money he's making, and he's teaching you here. He's not just another person who's just selling you stuff he doesn't know how to sell. He's selling it himself, which is pretty cool. What you're gonna have in the course, we're gonna go through the contents in a bit of a deeper, so to say, way in a bit, but here I'm gonna show you what's included. So downloadable notes, detailed interactive handouts, actionable follow-along steps, part of an extensive 8-week training. This is an 8-week training of the Freedom Ticket. Freedom Ticket is certification. You get certified for this. Pretty cool certificate you get. Designed for use with the most trusted industry software. Again, as I mentioned before, Helium 10 and Freedom Ticket, they work together. You're going to be taught how to find products with Helium 10 Black Box, for example, which is one of the tools inside Helium 10. You're going to get taught a lot of things with Helium 10 set of tools. So are you ready to start selling? If you are interested, again, in Amazon, click on the link in the description, get here, get your free week of the training and enjoy. Now you might be asking me, Vova, awesome. So there's the first week free and I like it, for example, or I've already joined and I'm doing it right now, pretty awesome. But how do I get access to the second week? What's in the third week? What's going on in week number 7? How I get access to all the course? Like how much is it? What's going on there? Helium 10 has another promotion for you, which I'm going to be speaking about today and right now, because you can get free access to Freedom Ticket with your Helium 10 membership. Now, what does it mean? If you're liking the course, if you like this first week, you're like, right, I see that Helium 10 is awesome. I see that Kevin King is a knowledgeable guy. I want to continue. I want to learn Amazon FBA to the bone. Like, I want to understand it all. How do I get access to other parts of Freedom Ticket? Now, you can either buy it. Now, it retails at $997, which means that usually it's sold at $997. You can still buy it at that price, no problem. Or you can get free access to this course, the Freedom Ticket, for free once you join Helium 10 set of tools. And that's including Helium 10 Platinum, Diamond, or Elite members. So these are like different types of programs you can join with Helium 10. And this way you can get the access to all the course pretty much for free, straight away for you. And if again you're somebody that will like this, you have this option. And here we're going to go exactly through what's included in the course. So Freedom Ticket is the most comprehensive Amazon FBA training on the internet. Here's a few things that are speaking about Freedom Ticket and Helium 10, but here's what you'll get once you join. This is the meat. I want to get to the meat here. 8 weeks of training, 60 jam-packed videos, 60 plus jam-packed videos, real data and walkthroughs, no demos, review slides, read notes for every module, 30 plus handles on sourcing, accounting, mistakes to avoid, and everything. It's a full A to Z Amazon FBA course. As I mentioned before, everything is covered. Next, you also get Helium 10 set of tools. Because again, you join Helium 10 and then you get Helium 10 Freedom Ticket for free, the course by Kevin King. All in one suite of tools with 20 plus tools, find winning products in explosive niches, find keywords, build your listing, get it to rank, also very important, listing optimization, ongoing maintenance, hours and hours of training, content, and resources. That's what you get when you join Helium 10, including the Freedom Ticket course. What you learn with the Freedom Ticket: a complete e-commerce education. It's gonna explain you what's e-commerce all about, what's Amazon FBA is all about, how to do that. One-on-one training from an expert and thought leader, Kevin King, again, very knowledgeable, very experienced. You can Google the guy, you're gonna see that he delivers very good stuff, And yeah, an exclusive test and proven A to Z private label strategy. That's all his strategy on how to sell on Amazon. Every tip, trick, and hack currently in use. Race ahead past the competition. Complete roadmap. You get an exact timeline of how and when to implement. Access to the full suite of Helium 10 tools. Free with any Helium 10 plan, Diamond, or Elite. Platinum, Diamond, or Elite. So again, you get everything of the Freedom Ticket with Helium 10 set of tools, and that's an A to Z course. And here are the course details. So week number 1 is introduction, week number 2 is Amazon Business Basics. You can stop the video to read if you want, or simply click on the link in the description. I'm gonna actually link both of the pages. This page that we've spoken about before, the free access of 1 week, and also I'm gonna link the Freedom Ticket with Helium 10 promotion for you as well, where you can read it all alone. But essentially week number 2, Amazon Business and Business Basics. Week number 3, Bringing in Money in Millions. Week number 4, picking a successful product. This is something that interests a lot of sellers. So where to find product ideas, how to keyword research and pick products, choosing a product to sell. It's all here in the course, and you can get access to it for free right now. And yeah, take advantage. Week number 5, suppliers, orders, and shipping. That's also a big question by sellers. How do I get a product from China, for example, to Amazon US? Like, how does it work? Everything is outlined here. Shipments by air, by sea, etc. How to compete and win big. That's about how competition, how to rank, how to do all the good stuff, how to be a good seller, how to create highly converting listings. That means listings that sell. How do you come and create a listing? How do you sell this bell? You just show a picture of the bell, or you can show, it's funny, it actually says here ring for a kiss, right? So you can show a girl that is running to her guy when he's ringing for this, more emotions. This is going to be taught here, pretty awesome. And then number 8, ranking, advertising, and promotion. How to get to page 1 on Amazon. How to make people see your bell. You want to sell this bell, but how to make all the people see your bell. There's some strategy behind this. So this is how you're gonna, what's it gonna learn in week number 8. And some frequently asked questions. How would the Freedom Ticket help me? Again, it's great for Amazon sellers of all levels. That's why I mentioned before, to those that are advanced sellers, just wait a bit. Yes, this is also for you, mainly aimed at beginners, I'd say, but those who are already selling and they want some help, some understanding, also I do recommend you taking advantage of this promotion. Again, if you're an advanced seller, Kevin King will review exclusive stickers for you to take Amazon FBA business to the next level, which is pretty cool. How will Helium 10 help me? That's the set of tools. Helium 10 is all-in-one software suite that has every tool that Amazon seller could ever need. Each tool is designed to deal with specific phase and process of Amazon seller experience. Again, a part of the Freedom Ticket course. It's going to be all explained how to use these tools. How long does it take to finish the training? The training consists of 90 plus modules, which are dipped out across 8 weeks. Now, I'm going to tell you something interesting, that right now, from what I've gotten from Helium 10, I got an email that right now, again, I'm not sure how long will this be, you can get straight away access to all the course. It used to be dipped in a week after week, but now you get access to everything once you join it and take advantage. So consider. Is it possible to buy Freedom Ticket without signing up for Helium 10? Yep, as I mentioned, $997 for Freedom Ticket. You can still buy it at the normal retail price if you want. However, if you join Helium 10, then you're gonna get it for free. I'm gonna give you soon some also discounts for Helium 10 you can take advantage of, and they're gonna save you money in the long run. Also, you're gonna find the coupons, these coupons that are gonna save you money in the description of this video as well. So take advantage. Why is Helium 10 offering Freedom Ticket for free? Our goal is to give our users, that's you, the best opportunity to succeed on Amazon. Since our customers are our #1 priority, we're giving you everything you need, tools and training in one place. It's the same as you are the viewer is #1 priority for you. I really make these videos, I want to make them the best for you so you can consume and enjoy and take the most of them, because I value your time, you understand? I know that time is important. This is something that unfortunately we have only limited amount of in this world. So I respect that, and that's why I'm trying to give you the most in the least time possible so you can take it and take action. Some testimonials here if you want to see what others are saying about the course, except this dude here on YouTube. Learn how to sell on Amazon from an expert seller and thought leader. As I mentioned, Kevin King, 7-figure seller in e-commerce since '95, and as I've mentioned, yeah, instead of $997, it's free once you join these plans. Now, here are the plans, and you have the Platinum, Diamond, and Elite plans. I have coupons for you. First one is Vova 10. I'm going to show it on the screen. It's going to give you 10% off every month of Helium 10, or Vova 50. You can use it to get 50% off your first month, just to try out Helium 10. All these coupons are going to work for the Platinum and the Diamond plan. The Elite plan is for more advanced sellers. No coupons there. This is for more advanced sellers. So again, you can also consider joining the Elite, but that's a bit different. I might cover it in another video I'll make. There's also a la carte plan. That means if you want to take specific parts of Helium 10. However, with the a la carte, you don't get access to Freedom Ticket. You can see here. But with Platinum and Diamond plan, you do get. I do recommend for beginners the Platinum plan, and also maybe for advanced sellers who have more products, you'll need the Diamond plan because there are more, it covers just more products. So it'll give you more data for more ASINs, for more products, that's it. But for a beginner, Platinum plan, awesome. This is going to be enough for you, and Freedom Ticket is included there. If you use the coupon Vova10 or the coupon Vova50, you're going to get 10% off. So instead of $8.97, it's going to be about $87. Instead of $97 with the Vova50, it's going to be, what, $48 for the first month though. However, I do recommend you the Vova10 because it's going to save you more money on the long term. There are also yearly plans for Helium 10. You can take the Platinum plan for a year with 2 months for free. For essentially for the Platinum and Diamond plan as well, you can take them for a year. Elite plan is only a monthly plan. Again, that's for more advanced sellers. But you can take these plans for a year plan, then you can save 2 months essential for free once you take the yearly plan. But if you also use the coupon Vova10, for example, it's going to give you essentially around another month for free. So for a yearly plan of Platinum, if you take it yearly, it's about 3 months that you get for free. So I do recommend you, again, all the links are in the description. So, and if you don't like it for any reason, if you don't like Freedom Ticket, if you don't like Helium 10, and that's fine. Some of us are going to like stuff, some don't like different stuff. That's respected. So there's a money back guarantee. If you don't like it, 30 days, you get your money back. So take advantage of this. If you're not happy, then ask for your money back. However, usually I don't see many people returning because I can see it in my affiliate dashboard because people are enjoying the tools. I've been a Helium 10 user for a few years now, and I'm not canceling because, well, because they deliver. And now there's also a free course. How Freedom Ticket has helped others, some big names in the industry here, also other testimonials. Special letter from Kevin King. Please read that once you get to the link and see what he's saying to you. That's again Kevin, the dude that's going to be your instructor. And yes, I want the tools and training. So consider using this. Now, the third part of the video where I want to show you a sneak peek of what it is to be inside the Freedom Ticket course, what it's like inside there. So let's go there right now. And here it is. We're currently in the Freedom Ticket course. And you have some parts here, the dashboard, the course. You have on the left all the weeks, introduction, week number 2, Amazon Business Basics. And this is the introductory part. For example, we want to go to picking a successful product. Yes, that's week number 4. Let's click here. And here you're going to have the module also with downloads. Some of them have like downloadable slides. So everything that's inside this specific video, you have downloadable slides for you to kind of take advantage of it in one small place. So you can click here to download, but let's see how it looks from the inside. Let me just play to you quickly just a part of it. So for example, let's click here. You're going to have the entry for every video like this. Pretty cool. Ticket, Helium 10, Module 19.
So you may be asking, how do I come up with ideas for products? Well, there's lots of places where
So Kevin is going to be teaching you stuff here. He's going to show you specific, let me just close this one. He's going to show you specific parts of where to find products. Now, essentially, I can't really show you what's going on here because you gotta, you know, so to say, pay for it. But I'm really giving you a sneak peek. Hopefully, Kevin's not going to bash me and Helium 10 guys. But I want to show you, he's going to show you how to find products with black box and all different ideas. So this is how it looks from the inside. You can go through all the modules here and see if it's for you or not, which one. Week number 5, as I mentioned, week number 1 is free for you with the link in the description. But then again, if you want to join and see this course, it's an A to Z course. Everything is included here. So I do recommend you checking it out. Check out the links in the description and see if it's for you or not. And now here is going to appear a playlist of my Helium 10 videos. Please click on it now if you want to see more stuff about Helium 10. These are my tutorials. So don't forget to check out the links in the description. See if Helium 10 is good for you. See if Freedom Ticket is good for you. And hopefully you will join, have some fun, and start selling Amazon. If you're already a seller, then you will just boost your business. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.